All right, here we go. We are going to be creating an original game. And so we've done the in-class Ghost Hunter game. And so we're going to model it after that game. So again, you have to create a brand new game. You just can't modify your original game. And you're going to have to add some additional elements to it. So you're going to have 8 days to create an original game from scratch. Use your Ghost Hunter game as a model to create your new game. So here is the game criteria. Your game must be playable on the sister's school district website. What that means is we can't have things like guns and shooting and blood. It has to be able to be played from kindergarten all the way up to high school. So instead of, for example, using guns and shooting, you could have a person throwing donuts, or you could have a person throwing books. I've had ships who shoot radar. Anything like that would be appropriate, just not guns, weapons, ammo. The game must have elements, sprites, and backgrounds that you create or bring in. You need to remember that all your sprites need to be a PNG. If your character has a white background, there's a page that you can check out right there on how to turn a image with a white background into a PNG. The game must feature a game over slash spread blah 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 game over slash press space to restart. If I have not taught you how to do this, I will help you do this when the time comes. This includes resetting the game board and the global variables when the new game starts. The game must have 2 or more enemies, and your enemies have to have different health. Now, you can have your enemies spawn at different times. So, for example, in our Monster Hunter games, we had our monsters spawn every 3 seconds or 1 second. You could have like a big boss spawn like every 15 seconds or every 20 seconds to make it a little bit more difficult. Your game must have sound, and you should have learned how to do that already. Creativity and replayability is important. So when you think about games that you play online, again, they're challenging and they try to get you to the next level. If you have time, you can create a game that gets increasingly difficult. And finally, you'll need to submit a construct single file, and that's under the save menu to me, and then that'll bring all over the required files, and then I will post that on our website. With that, good luck. Think of a great concept, and you guys can go ahead and get started.